Something important just happened. And yes, it did not happen in public. No press conferences, no official statement, no cameras at all, but the message that was loud. Vladimir Putin has stepped in, not as a bystander, not as a commentator, but as a messenger. A message meant for Iran, for Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, and for the entire Middle East. You're watching Times XP, it's me, Triti Yatri. Here's what makes the story explosive. Just days before protests erupted across Iran, just days before streets filled with anger, Iran and Israel, they were quietly talking. Not directly, but through Russia. Yes, a secret back channel. Moscow was the bridge here. Putin, he was the go-between. According to reports, Israel sent assurances, Iran sent responses. Both the sides wanted just one thing: avoid a direct war. But why now? Why then? Because Israel was preparing for action against Hezbollah and Iran wanted guarantees. No strike on Iranian soil, no direct confrontation, no crossing of the red line. For a moment, a fragile understanding, it kinda existed. And then everything collapsed. Protests exploded inside Iran, security forces cracked down, the death toll, it surged. What was once a quiet diplomatic channel was drowned out by chaos on the streets. And then enter Donald Trump, with warnings, with threats, with talk of intervention. Well, suddenly Washington was back in the picture, loud and unpredictable. In the meantime, Tehran's tone, it changed. Iran issued a warning: any foreign interference will be met with retaliation. Not symbolic, not delayed, direct. Well, this is where Putin's message, it really matters. After a reported call from Benjamin Netanyahu, Putin sent a clear signal to Tehran. Restrain, control, think carefully about what comes next. Russia does not want this to blow up. A US, Iran, Israel clash, it would shake the entire region, right? Be it energy market, alliances, global security, their stability. Moscow knows the cost here. But the sign of the ground, it's worrying. Airspaces are closing, military assets are moving, forces are on high alert. These are not any routine action, by the way, these are preparations. Analysts are sounding the alarm here. They warn that the quiet rule, the unwritten understanding, it is all breaking down. Once that particular thing happens, miscalculation becomes deadly. Well, this is no longer just about protests anymore. This is about pressure, power, positioning. Every move now sends a message here, and Putin's message, it is quite simple. Do not rush into war, do not let the chaos decide strategy, and do not let this spiral. So, when enemies start talking through back channels, it means that they fear what comes next. Well, when those channels collapse, history tells us what follows. The entire Middle East is holding its breath, because one wrong move could turn this fragile moment into a confrontation the world cannot contain.